He's looking. He's trying to figure it out.
Tell me which room.
I think you're getting warm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
You're super warm. I think it's under there.
This. This thing?
It should.
The treasure box?
Holy
Oh,
shamoles.
goodness.
That is cool,
It's a
B.
treasure chest.
That is really cool.
It's a treasure chest. Gold coin.
Gold coins.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
That is awesome.
How many gold coins did you find?
4.
Wow.
$4.
Holy shamoles. That's a cool idea.
What other kind of coins are in there?
Nickels, dimes.
Well, you get the whole thing. You get the box, you get the treasure chest, and
The
the
box
coins,
is
and the
awesome,
jewels, and
man.
everything. The whole
Get
thing's
your own
good.
treasure box.
You get the patch.
Sure, that's
all that
better
thing.
than a piggy bank.
Yeah, that is really cool.
That's pretty cool, huh? That's all that's in there. It's all in there, yeah.
You got it all in the box, all the money.
You have to, man, that is really nice.
I think that's
What do you
big.
say, Thing?
Thank you.
That is
You're
awesome,
welcome.
dude. Look at all that
Like the
stuff.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
You got all kinds of beads and stuff in there
and
too.
jewels.
That is
They're
awesome.
Marbles. Mm-hmm. Is that pretty cool? We can play Chinese chess.
There's all different kinds of coins in there too.
You used
Isn't
to
that
need
cool?
to say thank
Yes,
you
you
very
look-
much. That's a
Thank
ton
you.
of stuff in
Coins
there,
that look
buddy.
like they're the
Yeah.
same. You have to look on the front and the back because they're different. There's different kinds of coins.
Whatever other money you've got, you can store
Some
in
of the
there.
quarters are eagle quarters, and some of the quarters are skate quarters. There's all different kinds of coins in there.
Do you like that? Is that cool? Yeah. It's like the Pirates of the Caribbean. You get your own treasure chest, like Jack.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
We'll keep your sister out of there. Don't worry.
I think that's
I'll try to keep Ashley out of there too.
Pretty cool, huh?
You finding different kinds of quarters?
There's a different one. Trying to look for my other one of these. My other one of these.
You'll find it. You'll find it. Don't worry.